This is the puppy at North Central. He's absolutely adorable. He just wants to be touched and loved. And of course, you can't leave the kennel until Tuesday because he's not technically the property of the city yet. He's adorable. It's just adorable. We don't even know your name. Yeah, look, he just wants to chew on my fingers. He's still baby. He wants everything as now. Sweet, sweet puppy. You got puppy teeth? You do have puppy teeth. I see those puppy teeth. Show everybody your puppy teeth. Yeah. He's just a baby. He needs something to chew on. But look at that tail wagging while he's playing with me. Well, I'm not getting it here. There it is. He's a good boy. Good boy. I'm sorry I can't get you out of that kennel today. I'm sorry. Tuesday. You get out on Tuesday. 2 more days and you get out. He is beautiful. He's got white, a little bit of white on his toes, some of his toes, the back of his toes, and a little bit of white on his chest. He's absolutely adorable. Who lost you? Who lost you? Yes. Here, he's wanting me to pet him through the fence. Yes. He just needs some attention, huh? Yes, he do. I know. Okay. Oh, there's water out there. He doesn't want anything to do with that water. No. He's going to stay away from that water. We're watching it, but we don't have anything to do with it, do we? Yeah. Water. What is that? What a pretty boy you are. What a sweetheart you are. Yes. He's staying right here up against the fence. I'm holding his butt back here so he can get petted.
You sound like Happy Mama.
What's that?
You sound like you're Happy Mama.
I am. How'd you know that?
I recognize your voice.
Oh my goodness.
You're doing a Great Dane, and I'm Denise.
Oh, Santiago said, oh, hello. There he is. Okay, there's our boy. He gets out on Tuesday.
Are you a good boy?
He's adorable.
Are you a good boy?
Absolutely adorable.